Here's LINKBANK app, so just tap cat and then double click to install. You will be able to install it. Available to all of LINKBANK's clients, both retail and business, is LINKBANK's banking platform headquartered in PA. So bank convenient and securely manage your personal business finances. Yeah, to be honest, like you need to do your own research with this app. As you can see, it only has like 260 ratings. There are some reviews are like too positive, so you can see a lot of 5-star reviews, just not that doesn't look that natural yet. Maybe it's really like the app which can take off, but yeah, with all these banking apps, there are all of these fast loan apps these days. So you just need to really take a look if this app looks legit for you, and then you can just username, password, and to log in, you need to create an account separately. So that's the idea. So yeah, here's what it is.